Today's newest listing is a wonderful three-story townhome nestled into beautiful Lower Town. If you want maintenance-free living without sacrificing space, stick around to find out why 255 Cathcart might be your perfect move. .255 Cathcart is an amazing opportunity for first-time homebuyers or professionals who might like to be able to walk to work on Parliament Hill or the nearby Lester B. Pearson building. It has three things that stand out about it. Number one is its amazing three-story layout. Number two is the excellent, highly walkable location in historic Lower Town. And three is the maintenance-free lifestyle it provides. Now, before we take you through the rest of the home, Kareem's going to tell you a little bit about Lower Town.
Lower Town is one of Ottawa's most historic and dynamic neighborhoods, and it presents the best of both worlds. You're on a quiet residential street, you're steps away from the ByWard Market, incredible restaurants, and major employers like Global Affairs and more. The area features a beautiful mix of heritage homes and modern condos. You're also incredibly close to the Ottawa River, local parks, and great schools, making it an ideal spot for active professionals and family builders who want low commute times and an engaging community.
Built in 1986, this home features 1,240 square feet above grade, plus a finished lower level with a den, laundry room, and tons of storage. On the main level, you'll find beautiful hardwood flooring flowing through the living and dining room, a convenient powder room, and an upgraded kitchen with beautiful quartz countertops. The living room also boasts a beautiful wood-burning fireplace.
Because this is a condo, you get to enjoy all of your free time instead of doing yard work. The condo fees cover landscaping, snow removal, exterior maintenance, building insurance, as well as water. Plus, you get fantastic outdoor space with this large 13-foot deck right off the kitchen for summer barbecues and a little porch at the front by the living room. You also get one surface parking spot conveniently located off a private lane.
This property features amazing value in today's market. With an updated heat pump from 2021 and upgraded bathroom on the main level, it means you can move in and start enjoying it right away.
A home in this pocket of the market with this much space and this little maintenance is a rare find. Check out our pre-list home inspection, floor plans, and more at nickfunditis.ca.
The team and I would love to show you around 255 Cathcart in person. Reach out to us today to book your private tour. Do you know someone else who would fall in love with Lower Town living? Show them this video, send them to our website at nickfunditis.ca, and we will be happy to help them make their perfect move in Ottawa. And third is its location, 255 Cathcart in person.
Plus a finished lower level with laundry, storage. I'll restart, I tripped up.
Incredible restaurants and Global Affairs, which, sorry man.